Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Kraken account. If you want to start buying, selling or investing in cryptocurrency, creating a Kraken account is one of the first steps, and Kraken is known for its strong security, wide range of coins and beginner friendly interface, and making it a solid choice whether you're new to crypto or already experienced. And in this guide you will learn exactly how to create your Kraken account from the scratch, either on your phone or computer. So first, make sure you've already downloaded your Kraken app, and over here open to your Kraken app on your device. And under this home page you can find there's an option for the sign in on create. Click onto this create and simply type down your email address and continue, or you can also continue with your Google on the bottom tab there and select continue on the bottom right. And after that, you'll get a verification code. You can also open your inbox and click the confirmation link as well and set up your account and KYC, and that is it. This is how you can create your account. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.